action, man. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, as y'all can see, man. B4, man. Had to wipe y'all up, man. They out here tripping. Yeah, Cari crew, man. I couldn't even trying to get right. I really ain't got no gas for real. But yeah, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Cari crew, man, posting me a little meet, man. Got some people to come out. They behind me, you know, so I'm be in the front. You feel me? straight action, man. Cari crew. I just gave y'all straight action, man. I ain't say a word, nigga. Hey, they get serious out here, man. Hey, they get serious out here, man. Woo! Cari crew, y'all gotta like the video, man. Y'all niggas gotta like the video, man. Boy, y'all gotta like the video, Cari crew, boy. We just went stupid for y'all, man. We just went stupid for y'all, man. We just went stupid. We just went stupid. Hey. Hey. Hey, man. Hey, man. These boys just went stupid. Hey, man. Hey. Hey, yo, that went stupid. Hey, that nigga. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I had the camera on. And that dude Ryan, boy. Y'all Ryan, I ain't gonna count. Boy, yo, bro, why you went around that thing, bro? Bro, there was some shit that flew in the air, some big ass shit flew in the air. I don't know what that was. Yeah, this nigga tripping. That nigga tripping. My radar started beeping. I said, ooh. I said, it's too late now, though. It's over with now. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Hey, when that nigga get it straight, that bitch be Ryan. That bitch be coming. That 10-speed Ryan, I ain't gonna care. That be Ryan. He was on my ass. That bitch like, you finna run into me. I like, damn, that bitch. I told him my shit need a little work. But yeah, man. Yeah, I should took my shoes off. That was fucking me up. I had my shoes on. I should took my shoes off. Look at this ass. Talking all that shit. Come on, man. Hey, you supposed to show up with your boy now. Come on, man. No, I'm talking about. Oh, I got nasty. When? Oh yeah, his ass got wicked. All that shit on camera. Oh. What?
Fucking ass up, man, that bitch. Me J5 me yours. I'm like, yeah. I got the sunroof closed, so I'm turning that fire. I'm going that way.
Yeah, man. I see what we got going, Cari crew, man. I'm like, damn, yeah, man. I see what we got going, man. See what we got popping. We linked up with some more folk, man. I don't know why my camera looks so dark. That mother look disgusting. Yeah, I see, man. Shut up. Shut up, man.
Drive that bitch back now. It's an art. It's an art. I got an art scene, bro. Why y'all want to hit so bad? It's an art scene.
That been kind of well, yeah, for a bite, they been doing that.
You wanna look at it, man? Come on. Look at it, come on. I like I don't know my name cars and some shit. Come on, let's take a walk. What they doing? They wanna get a traffic? That shit cheap, but they wouldn't let me get up there. They wouldn't let me in front of it. They wouldn't let me in front of it.
Yeah, Trey, I was kind of disappointed though. I was looking for you, bro. I was disappointed, bro. You weren't. Nah, the way he was going, bro, y'all, it was too late for y'all, bro. It was over with.
That shit cheap, bro. I'm in the back of fucking hill. Bitch, I'm fast, bro. It's not on the shoulder. No, my life off.
Come on, it's on, bro. You gonna see it? You gonna see it? All that shit was, bro. It was a big ass sign that flipped on. He went over that bitch. This bitch sound like some Luna 4. That bitch hit off the ground. I thought that bitch finna hit somebody's window. Nah, that was some real Atlanta shit though. On me, that nigga did something. That was some real Atlanta shit. I'm glad the tire's straight though. See, you can do that in 8 they got that HOV lane, but that shit, you can't do that shit down here.
Who car did? They been rolling too.
That been some dark ass tint. Damn, boy, that tint dark as hell. He gotta have like 20 on the front. Let's see cars good. That be right to pop a little wheelie, man. You have a little power, pop that wheelie car through. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, man, you know, I had hosted a slight little meat, man, something slight. You feel me? Peep the drip, you know what I'm saying? Some little bit of bread, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have some bread with some bread, you know what I'm saying? But y'all can see we got a Daytona, 10-speed, another 10-speed, Scat, BMWs, another Scat, Hemi. You know what I'm saying? Some more stuff down there, Scat. All kind of little stuff, man. But, yeah, I'm really just out vibing today, man. I'm just trying something to tell people to pop out, see if they were going to pop out or not. They did, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all that popped out. Y'all already know, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but love, man. But, yeah, I see we had to get a quick little cut-up session, man. It really cutting up in traffic, but we didn't really have everybody this time. But we're going to try. We're going to try it again, though. Yeah. I know she ain't going to hit that bitch. She'd like to go straight. That bitch for real. That man ain't going nowhere. Shit is louder than that. Look how that 10 speed, that bitch be climbing, but I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, car crew, man. I ain't really get to properly end the video, but we go, man. Y'all see we got a little, you know what I'm saying, quick little cut of action, man. Hosting me another little car meet, man. Something slight just to see if I want to pop out tonight, man. On some board stuff, man, really. Just trying stuff, man. But, you know, I appreciate everybody that did pop out, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate that highly, you feel me? Folks ain't got to pop out, but they did. So I appreciate that for all the folks that popped out, man. But it's going to get bigger and better, car crew, for sure. We're going to get bigger and better, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be doing all that, you feel me? We're going to be doing all that. But yeah, man. I'm just wrapping up the video. I really ain't got too much to say. I'm just driving out trying to, I was looking for something, but yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap. Like I always say, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And like I always say, not in my videos, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? You can touch it, bro. You just gotta have that motivation and have that drive. Keep pushing. Even when it ain't working right now, just keep pushing. You know what know what I'm saying? Everything out of progress, you feel me? But yeah, man. Also, like I say, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Stay blessed. And stay safe out in these streets, man. You feel me? And like I also say, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.